This is a demonstration of how to use the Claytonrite glazing tool to insert the filler strip into fixed window seals. These seals are commonly found on boats, some caravans and some classic cars. This tool has multiple uses and can be used for multiple parts of the window installation process. I'm going to talk you through these different areas and show how to use the tool for each of these different parts. Whilst it is possible to use other tools such as a screwdriver, we really advise against this as these are sharp objects which can damage the seal during the fitting process. This glazing tool has a blunt and rounded end, so it massively reduces the chance of unintentional damage. The first main use of this tool is to remove the existing filler strip from your current window sill. Using the round end, you can hook the end of the filler strip, which then makes it possible to grab so you can put it out all the way around the window rubber. So if we insert it into the end, hook out the end, pull, it comes out nice and easily. The next step is to use the tool to remove the window pane. This is where using a tool such as this is a lot better than a screwdriver because you need to insert the tool underneath the lip, and a screwdriver, as it's slightly sharp, will go straight through this area and pull off this lip. To do this, we need to insert the tool underneath the lip and around the back into the window, and then we can gently prise forwards until the window comes loose. We do sometimes need to do this at a couple of points, just so we can release it enough so that it comes forward and we can take it out. Once you have removed the existing filler strip and window pane, you need to take measurements of the panel and the glass or perspex to identify a replacement section. Once you have purchased a replacement window rubber, you should attach it to the aperture similar to what we have here. The process for this isn't shown in this video, but we do have a lot of technical demonstrations available on our website at salesdirect.co.uk, which details this complete process. You then need to insert the window pane into the new window rubber seal. Use a small amount of diluted washing up liquid to lubricate the channel and then insert the window. You can use the glazing tool to lever the glass into the groove all the way around the edge. This may take a few minutes, and you'll need to do this at various points around the edge of the window. Once you have fitted your glass or perspex into the rubber seal, the final use of the tool is to insert the filler strip. Lubricate the section again using a diluted washing up liquid. Starting at the middle of the bottom, insert the glazing tool into the groove and then place the filler strip into the loop of the tool. Run the tool around the groove following the length of the filler strip. This should place the filler strip into the groove. Thank you for watching. This was our demonstration of how to use the Claytonrite glazing tool to insert the filler strip into the Claytonrite window rubber. We sell this product on our website at salesdirect.co.uk. The part code is GT75. We also sell a very large range of other window sills, such as the one that we've shown the demonstration for here. We sell these in a range of sizes designed to fit different panel and glass thicknesses. We do have other seals suitable for boats, caravans and classic cars, but if there's anything you can't find, please just give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.